Today I'll show you how to factory reset the Apple Watch Ultra if you have screen lock protection enabled. That only works if you have screen lock protection enabled, and you'll need the charger to continue the resetting process. First, press and hold the side button to open the emergency menu. Once the menu opens, press and hold the crown button. You'll see a message saying connect to a power source to proceed. Plug the watch into the charger. You'll get the option to erase all content and settings. Tap Reset to confirm. Tap Reset again to confirm and wait for the resetting process to complete. Once you see this animation, the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video.